All skin type are not the same. What might work for you might not work for me. So we all have different skin tone. You have to know that, guys.
You have to like studying your own skin first. You like study it really well. If your skin tone is really strong or is it soft.
If you send me the location.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Uwa. It's nice seeing you guys once again. If it's your first time seeing this face, my name is Uwa. You are welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I teach how to DIY your body products. I do cream review, cooking videos sometimes, but not always, and I do vlog my daily life vlog, so but not always, sometimes. Okay, so I do a lot of stuff here on this channel. So if you want to see more of me, or you like to see more of my videos, or you just love, make sure you subscribe. It's free, guys, free. You won't pay dime. It's new videos, voila, you get notified. And I do upload new videos every week, but at times I do upload twice a week, at times I upload once a week, at times I upload twice a week. So but I'm going to stick to once a week now, because you know it's not that easy, okay? Except maybe you are a YouTuber, that's when you understand. So guys, on today's video, I am doing a review on this particular product, Secret White Body Cream. If you don't know, I did a review on the facial cream before, and the facial cream is so nice, guys. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to be leaving the link down there so that you go and watch that video. It's really nice. If you are having Secret, it's really good. The facial cream is one of the best. It's one of the best so far. Looking for something to use on your face, go and try out this White Secret facial cream. I am going to leave the link down there so that you click on it and watch the video and see for yourself. God, you are going to love that cream. So today I'm going to be talking about the body cream. So guys, I jumped into this video. I would first of all love to make everyone that's here, that's watching this video right now, that you know all skin type are not the same. No matter what you use on your skin, or no matter what I use on my skin that might work for me, it might not work for you, or the things that work for you might not work for me. That's why it is really good to know the kind of skin tone you have before you start applying things to your skin. Okay, you have to study your skin tone really well, the kind of skin tone you have. Okay, so it is really nice for you to know the kind of skin tone you have, the kind of, you know, if you have soft skin tone, if you have strong skin tone, you have to know those things. It is really important, guys, before you start applying any cream on your skin. You have to study your skin tone first. It's really important, okay, so that you will not waste money on products you don't need. Okay, when you study your skin tone and you know your skin tone is really strong, so you will have to go for strong creams. Okay, cream that are really active, because you know that your skin tone is really strong. Okay, but if you do not study your skin tone and you just go for any cream you see, God, you are going to be wasting a lot of money. You know, these things are not that cheap. Okay, these little things we see, this body cream, this facial cream, they are not that cheap. They are somehow expensive. You know, money is money. Okay, so guys, let's just do. I've started talking about this body cream, White Secret. It's one of the best for some people and might not be the best for some people. Okay, this cream is good when you want to, you know, I won't say lighten your skin, I won't say like you want to have. This cream is for bleaching. If you know you want to bleach your skin tone, you want to bleach it from the very starting point. Okay, for some people, like I said before, but for some people it is not good. But if you know you have that strong skin tone, that really strong skin tone, that you have been trying a lot of cream and is not working for you, go for this White Secret. I promise you, it's going to peel out those dark area in your skin. Okay, but if you know you are fair already, you are really fair in complexion, like me, and you want to still add other you want to still apply cream that will, you know, lighten you more and more, don't go for this White Secret. Don't go for it. It will damage your skin. Okay, because it's too active. Whenever you under 5 days, if you buy any cream and it is written there that you will start seeing results under 5 days, run for your life, because those kind of cream, just know that it is really active and might be harmful for your own skin. Okay, so that is why I said in from the very start of this video, that's why I said you have to know the kind of skin tone you have before you buy products. Okay, this product is not the one that you can use to maintain your skin tone. Okay, if you are fair already, you don't need this product. Like my kind of skin tone, you don't need it. But if you know you are really dark, you want to get that lightness that you are looking for, that 3rd to 4th shade, go for this White Secret. Okay, if you want to start bleaching, let me just put it as bleaching. Sorry guys, I know some people don't like to hear that word, but I'm going to say this because of this particular cream. Okay, this particular cream is for bleaching. If you want to start bleaching for the very first time, go for White Secret. But let me tell you the truth, once you start using White Secret, you start using, you will get fair, or really fair. As in, when I say fair, like albino, you will become like albino. Okay, if you don't know what albino is, Google it. Google will tell you what albino is. You will look like albino. When you become like albino, you will start having dark knuckles. Okay, you start having green veins. Okay, so I will not advise you that if you buy this cream, that you should go and mix it. Don't mix it with anything. Start using it like that. But if you know that you are really fair, you are fair already, and you want to lighten your skin more and more, I will advise you, if you should get this product, you add in like carrot oil, natural carrot oil or natural olive oil, to kill the active a little bit. Okay, but I will not advise you that you should get this product and start using it that way. If you are fair already, there's no need for you to start using this product. Just go for something that will maintain your fairness. Okay, but if you know that you want to start from somewhere, start from scratch, okay, you can go for this product. If you apply this product, God, 1 week you start seeing yourself like an albino. You will be more, you will be really fair in complexion. This cream really works, but it has a but. Like I always say, it works really well, but you have to use your head. Everything good. Okay, it really works. It will give you that fairness you are looking for, but it has some advantage and disadvantage. As a fair person, I do not advise, or I cannot advise you or tell you that you should go for White Secret, because White Secret is really active. As a fair person, if you should go for White Secret and you start using it, you start to get green vein. When you start to get green vein, you start to get dark knuckles. Whenever you go out, you'll be really ashamed to shake people, to bring out your hands. You'll be like hiding your hands, and your body, you start having green veins, green stuff on your body. Your skin tone will no longer be really beautiful. That's why I always say it is good to know the kind of skin tone you have. When you have that strong skin tone that nothing works for, you have to go for this. If your skin is really dark and you are looking for something to brighten your skin, to whiten your skin really well, go for White Secret. Use line or two. It depends on your kind of skin tone. Or if you want to get really white, use 2 cans of it, then stop. You understand? If you use 2 cans of White Secret, then stop. But the thing is that this White Secret, the bottle, the can is very big. Very big. If you buy it, it's very big. You are going to use it and use it. You will get tired of it. And even before you finish 1 bottle, your skin will be like an albino skin, like really white. But I will advise that if you use 1 bottle and your skin, you are really white to your satisfaction, you have to go for something else to continue. Just go for something else and maintain that fairness you have already. But I do not advise you that you should continue using this White Secret, because it is so too active. You might see that it's beautiful, your skin is beautiful, but it will get to some point when your skin will start to, you will start to hate your own skin tone. I don't know if you understand me. Like I always say, once you get the first shade, the second shade, the third shade, the fourth shade is not that too good. The fifth shade is the worst. When you get to the third shade, you have to stop. Look for something that will maintain your skin, maintain that fairness, give you that glowing skin that you are looking for. But don't go for the fourth shade though. Once you go for the fourth shade, that's when you start getting green veins, dark knuckles, white patches on your skin. So you don't want to get that. It's not that whenever you are fair already and you think that you are not fair to your satisfaction, maybe you want to try this white secret, I will advise you to, mix it with natural oils, like natural oils, not white green oils, natural carrot oil or olive oil, natural olive oil. Just turn it in, mix it so it will not be too active for you. I don't know if you get me. But if you buy that way and start using it like that, sorry, you are going to get grieving because you are fair already and you want to be fair more and more. That's the fourth shade. When you are fair already and you want to, make you look like Oyibo skin tone. You want to have that Oyibo skin tone more and more. That's when you start getting grieving. You start getting white patches. You start getting dark knuckles. So if you know that you want to go for these products and you feel that your skin tone, you are not yet in that right white skin tone, okay, and you want to add more, you want to get more, okay, all you have to do is to mix it with natural oil, okay. Don't forget that, because if you don't, you are going to get white patches, you are going to get grieving, you are going to get dark knuckles. Even your hair. This cream is really good. Like I always say, all skin type are not the same. Like I've spoke with a lot of people that have been using this cream and they have one issues or another to complain about. But what you don't really know is that it is good to know the kind of skin tone you have. That's when you'll be able to use the cream that will give you that glow you are looking for, that fairness you are looking for. You have to know your kind of skin tone first, because once you start to damage your skin tone, it will be really, really difficult for you to maintain it again, for you to get that your natural look that you used to have. Okay, so what people don't really know is that I just use this cream, I started getting grieving. You don't even know the kind of skin tone you have, but you use anything you see. You just use any product you see, you just apply it to your skin. I'm good to go, because I watched a review. People said this cream is very good. People said this syrup is very good. People said this face cream is very good. But do you know the kind of skin tone you have? Do you know the kind of skin tone you have? Like, it is good to know the kind of skin tone you have. Is it that strong skin tone? Is it that really, really soft skin tone? Is it do you have a sensitive skin tone? You don't even know, but you use anything you see. That means you are damaging your skin. I don't know if you get me. You are damaging your skin. So try and study your own skin tone. Like, study your skin tone. Study yourself. Whenever you use a product and someone said under 1 month, and one thing you have to know, whenever you use a product and you see results under 1 week, know that product is too active on you. And you have to know that your skin tone is really, really soft. If you start seeing results under 1 week, know that your skin tone is really, really soft. Anything you apply your skin to is going to work for you. But if you are that type that starts seeing results after 1 month, a little bit of it, know that your skin tone is really, really strong and you need active things. But whenever you start seeing results under 1 week, know that your skin tone doesn't really need anything active. It just needs something that will, it just need a product that will maintain that skin tone you have. Because if you start applying active products, you are going to damage your skin. Okay, you have to maintain that skin tone that you have, because it's really, really soft and sensitive. Whatever you apply will work. So if you know that you have that kind of skin tone and you want to use this White Secret body cream, make sure you activate it with any other natural oil, olive oil, carrot oil, natural one, without nothing. Don't mix it. Even if you are a dark person, you want to, you want to have this, you want to bleach your skin, because this cream is bleaching cream, It's not, let me just tone my skin a little bit and get this fairness a little bit. This one is bleaching cream. I'm sorry to say this, but this is called bleaching cream because it's written there already. Any cream that is written at the back, that they always say that under 1 week you start seeing results, but under 2 weeks you start seeing the side effect. Like you start getting green vein, you start getting dark knuckles. But the truth is that most people don't really know skin tone you have. But if you know that you have that strong skin tone that nothing works for you, go for this product. But if you know that you have that skin tone that anything you apply works for you, don't try this product at all. Even if you want to try this product, mix with natural oil, okay, and apply it. Don't even if you are really dark in complexion, you want to use this product, do not add any syrup, do not add any tube, because this cream on its own is very active. You don't need to activate it with nothing. You don't need to add any whitening syrup, you don't need to add any whitening tube. Just let me see, if you are a beginner and you want to start, lightening your skin for the very first time, go for this product. If you go for this product, you use one bottle and you see the result, switch to something else and start maintaining that your whiteness that you are looking for. You know that you are dark, you are a dark person and you want to achieve a white skin, go for White Secret. Use White Secret like 2 months, just one bottle, because the bottle is really big. Use one bottle of White Secret. Then if you have that fair skin you are looking for already, switch from White Secret, go for another cream that is not too active, that will just maintain that fairness that you have already. Okay, there's no need for you to continue using it when you know that it will later damage your skin. Okay, but like I always say, all skin type are not the same. It might work for you really well. If you see that it works for you really well, you have to continue using it. But if it doesn't, if it's not really that good for you, and you see that you start getting dark knuckles and green veins and white patches, you have to switch to something else to maintain that fairness. If you know that it works for you, that you don't get nothing, you don't get green vein, you don't get white patches, continue using it. Okay, because all skin type are not the same. And like I always say, make sure you know the kind of skin tone you have before you start using products. Whenever you use a product, try it and see when it started working for you. You have to study your skin tone as well and see that, oh, I'm getting white patches whenever I'm using these products. You have to know those things. And whenever you're using a product and you see that the product is too active for you, there's a way you can really activate that cream, and the cream will there's a way you can activate it and it will not give you white patches or green vein. You can as well mix it with natural oil, like natural carrot oil. If you want to know how to make your own natural carrot oil at home, it's very easy, guys. I have the video down there, click on it. I'm going to be leaving the link down there, how to make your own natural carrot oil at home, so that you can just make it yourself and apply it to your activate the cream with it. It will not be too active for you guys. There's a way you can DIY those things. If you want to know how to DIY those, so that you learn how to activate your own cream and oils and stuff like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this helps someone out there. I'll see you guys on my next video. Like I always say, if you know you are new here, please do subscribe and click the notification bell, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Bisous.